Hi guys, welcome back to this MBA podcast. We are in this beautiful campus of BM Trichy. By the way, I've got two stud people with me. One is Mohit and Gerald. They are very smart, by the way. इनका placement हो चुका है यहाँ Asian Paints. आप देखो smiley बन के face वो दिखता है कि placement हुआ है. So Gerald got into Asian Paints and Mohit has got into Infosys, by the way. इनकी story काफी amazing है and we're gonna talk to them. Guys, welcome on board. Gerald, to you, man. You tell me your profile. I've heard that you've got an amazing profile. What's your profile?
Yeah, hi, I'm Gerald. I'm from Coimbatore. I did my UG in mechanical engineering from Sri Krishna College of Engineering, which is one of the top universities there.
Is it?
Yeah,
Okay.
it is there. And further that, I started my career as an assistant manager in JSW Steels.
Assistant manager in JSW.
Yeah.
That's a big one, yeah.
Yeah, it was a big one though.
Then why BM or why MB all of a sudden?
Yeah. So I worked as an assistant manager in projects for around 2 years.
Okay.
Wherein I've taken care of procurement, I've even taken care of planning and the operations part. And during that time, I realized that many hurdles were there, which I had to tackle, and most of the things that I learned was self-taught. But I knew there was a structure to it,
Absolutely.
a structure of how to do it, how to do the planning, and also that if I had to move up the career ladder, I knew that if I'm going to stay there, that is not going to happen.
True.
So I had to do something to boost up my career.
Okay.
So then I found MBA as the choice to do that because that gives you an idea of all the finance, the ops, the marketing.
एक holistic approach मिल जाता
Yeah,
है.
the
towards
holistic
चीज़ें.
approach of how things work.
All right.
So
okay.
that is why I decided to do MBA. Then when I decided the colleges which I want to go, I appeared for ZAT, and in ZAT I got around 85 percentile. So
Not bad, yeah.
Yeah. By God's grace, I got it though. So then I applied for XIMB Sustainability, XIMB Rural Management, Great Lakes Gurgaon, and then I applied for BIM.
Okay.
And I converted everything.
Okay. Wow,
And
nice.
yeah,
And then you finally chose BM.
yeah, I finally chose.
All right. I'm gonna come back to you, and
Yeah.
we're gonna have discussion on
Yeah,
that.
yeah, we'll have.
Let's go to Mohit. Mohit, bhai, my first question. Then I'm gonna talk to you in Hindi, okay?
Yeah, sure.
Hindi and English combination anyway. So this guy is from Mumbai. How did you land it in BM Trichy? Like because, अच्छा, by the way, why I'm asking him this question is because बहुत सारे बच्चों को लगता है कि यार BM Trichy साउथ पार्ट है तो मैं जाऊँ या ना जाऊँ. बट यहाँ पे आपको बच्चे हर जगह से मिलेंगे. You'll see people from Mumbai, a lot of people from Maharashtra, north part of the country, south part of the country definitely होंगे. We've got one student, she's from Andaman. उनका भी वीडियो आने वाला है. But Mohit, coming back to you, मुंबई से लेके Trichy.
So before I will talk about my profile, I am a BTech and I did in mechanical engineering as a graduation from Mumbai University.
Perfect.
And after that I moved on to work for 2 years into sales and marketing and 1 year into operation, into service side. After that I wrote CAT, SNAP and other examinations.
Okay.
And I had call from Wellinger, RBA program Mumbai, and then GLIM Gurgaon, SRM Nashik, and BIM Trichy, and there were a few more calls like XIME, ISBR.
Okay.
And among those options, I felt BIM was one of the best brands that I could get into because the main reason was it provides a major and minor thing. I can get my major in 2 things. For example, I can get a major in HR and minor in marketing.
तो यही मेरा अगला क्वेश्चन था.
Okay.
That whatever colleges you had and including BIM, you chose BIM, you preferred BIM over and above these colleges, because all these are like very good colleges, right?
Correct.
So would love to understand your reasoning, your point of view, so that people who can connect with your profile, the age bracket can understand कि decision making कैसे होता है.
Correct.
So kindly let us know.
Sure. So I am currently 25 years old.
Okay.
And if you see overall, I had already had a 2 years of work experience.
Okay.
And if we evaluate all these options, there were 3-4 major reasons that stood with me compared to BIM and other institutes. The first one was the CRISIL audited report. So we have a very transparent audited report here.
Right.
And BIM is only few of those colleges who have CRISIL audited reports.
Yeah,
One is IIM
that's very true.
Ahmedabad.
Yeah, very true, very true.
And
actually.
the second is 40 years. We are the 42nd batch. So it has a 40 plus years legacy there. The third one is that the infrastructure, I mean, all the faculties here are very good. They have a very good thing in the market and relevant industry experience. So these 3, and also about the placement that we get here. So we have prominent recruiters like Godrej and Boys, Asian Paints, AkzoNobel, BNY, CRISIL. So brands do come behind. And these were the reasons for me as a person to get into BIM.
So what you meant to say that the placement that happens here is not restricted or limited to Tamil Nadu state as such. So you get placed across the country. Is it? And the companies, across the country also visit the campus.
Yes,
Is that the case? I know it, but I wanted to tell the students also.
So this is the case.
Huh.
Companies do come from different parts of India,
Okay.
and people get their internship or any placement in Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, Bangalore.
Nice.
But yes, talking about is a southern
Southern,
college,
yeah.
southern college, and we have cities like Hyderabad,
Huh.
Chennai, Bangalore.
Right.
So companies like this do prefer students from here.
Right.
So
right.
those become our major kind of thing. Where
But even if you look at the other side of the story, even students from different cities like north part of the country or west part of the country do eventually land up in Hyderabad, Bangalore, for Infosys and other big IT companies. So I think that's a pretty cool thing. Go ahead.
Yeah. So that's the overall story for me,
Hmm.
and I never had a restriction that I won't move to South. And trust me, my experience has been very lovely here, and I feel it's one of the best places a person can visit and be for 2 years here. It's a very green campus, as you have seen.
Yeah.
And the other thing is that here also we can see
So as
that-
we speak here, this is Peacock taking a nap. Chill mara wahan pe wo.
so
Anyway,
that's
go ahead.
there. And residential program always has a different feel.
Right.
Yeah.
Alright, Gerald, coming back to you, buddy. Would love to understand why you preferred BM Trichy over and above other colleges.
So yeah, before deciding if I should go BIM or not, I got a chance to interact with an alumni from the 35th batch,
Okay.
who's currently working in Kevin Care as a regional manager.
Not bad, yeah.
So, yeah.
5 साल पहले, 6 साल पहले. Wow, good.
So he gave me insights on how life will be here, the learnings that he got, the 2 years that he spent here. So that made me realize that यार अगर MBA करेंगे, so I should do it in a campus like this. Because he told that the cohort size is a major advantage. There are only 120 students, and you get to connect with each and every one of them. So that gives you more experience of life, like diverse background is there. So that is a major advantage. And he also told that the legacy of BIM, like it has been more than 40 years over here, and the students here are in almost top positions all over the world, like the
Right.
alumni.
Right. I interviewed alumni of 2000 batch, 2000, 2001 last year. And these guys are, heading the Southeast, Asian countries. They're heading some real good companies in the world, like Philips, वगैरह. And एक तो I think alumni थे, he is the top 40 voice for AI in the world. Right? तो आप वो भी वीडियो देख सकते हो. So yes, as rightly said, alumni base is really strong. Now, it's been how many, like 6-7 months, 8 months यहाँ पे?
Yeah.
How has been the life in BM Trichy?
Life here is good. The schedule is a bit tight though, as you know how MBA life goes. Like,
Right.
You have classes from morning till evening, then you have assignments to do, the projects. But in between that, doing with the friends over here and doing it all together, being it a residential program, it is so good to interact with people, and every project you do, gives you a better exposure of how the market is, how things are done in real world.
Tell me more about diversity of this college. कहाँ से बच्चे यहाँ पे आए हैं आपकी classroom में?
So, if I talk about diversity, I am from Mumbai. There is another guy from Mumbai, and people from Nagpur are there. So,
Oh, is it?
Maharashtra, yeah. In the senior batch, we have people who are from Nagpur. We have people from Andaman, Delhi. We have from West Bengal people coming in.
Wow.
Then we have people coming from Jharkhand. So we cover a lot of areas. We have people from Madhya Pradesh, the center of India. So diversity, in terms of diversity, what my personal experience has been that people are coming with different diverse background as well as different background in terms of curriculum. Somebody is coming from hotel management or culinary.
Oh, nice. Nice.
Somebody with a BA in English
Wow.
literature. Yeah.
Okay. When you made a mention about the major and the minor thing, है ना? वो एक advantage है मुझे लगता है. Can you explain a little bit about that, the major and the minor? Because I think you are major into sales and marketing.
Yeah.
Probably.
Probably.
And अपना internship किसमें है?
HR.
HR. तो थोड़ा combo बता दोगे?
So for me, I always wanted to get into sales marketing because I already had an aspiration towards it, and I also had a relevant experience. So for me, when I came here, so now I can explore two options. I can get my major in marketing, still I can get my minor in HR.
Okay. Very nice.
So beside that, I can take a curriculum in a way with terms of credits that I can benefit myself with something which is more relevant to my aspirational profile. If I want a core subject of analytics, I can also opt for it. So as a student, we get a major options to build our own things of expertise in different kind of subjects, and overall profile increases in a better way to be a better employer to the
True
employers.
that. True that. Perfect. Coming back to you, Gerald. Lot of students with WorkX, hesitate to go for an MBA. Okay. In next 30 odd seconds, I wanted to tell them that why they should be opting for MBA. Because a lot of people feel that कि यार मैं 3-4 साल कर लेता हूँ, फिर executive MBA कर लूँगा, 2 साल का फिर छोड़ देंगे. So just a 30-second talk on that, or maybe a minute talk on that.
When you're working there, you know, if you are working for around 2 or 3 years, you will be actually stuck in a place, and promotions will be there. But you know, if you are someone who's aspirational enough, who wants to go up the career ladder, and who wants to have a successful career in his life, become a manager, project lead, CEO, CFOs. So the best thing to do is switch to an MBA, because MBA gives you a holistic approach of everything, like more than things you will learn at work. And after MBA, you do it in such an institution like BIM, you get exposure to real life things of how you should apply whatever you're learning.
Yeah, that's important.
Yeah. So after the 2 years, when you get placed into a good company, you will be able to apply all the knowledge that you've gained here, and that will help you grow in your career ladder. So let's say if it would take around 20 to 25 years to reach to a certain position, if you are current now, if you do MBA, you can reach there in around 10 to 15 years based on your skills and how you are employing.
So Gerald, tell me one thing. Like you come with 2 years of work ex.
Yeah, 2 years
You
of
see, in your batch, there are people with 1, 2, 3 years of
Yeah,
work ex.
there are
And
people.
how many are going to be there?
Around, I think, 40% of the batch
Right.
is
So it's a
having
beautiful
good-
combination
Yeah,
in BIM
combination,
of
yeah.
you know the work ex folks versus the freshers.
folks, yeah.
That's nice. Last question for the day, and this is going to be very important. Okay. Now the ZAT results are out. CAT results are also out. Okay. There are a lot of folks with 80, 85 percentile, 88 percentile, 90 percentile. Okay. And they're really worried. They're concerned कि भाई करियर बनेगा कि नहीं बनेगा. आप भी इसी रेंज में थे, बट आज इन्फोसिस का टैग लगा है. अब ये रहेगा जिंदगी भर. Asian Paints, one of the giant in the FMCG domain, right? I want you to tell them any piece of advice, motivation, life, whatever you feel, apart from joining BIM, of course. Anything that pops up in your mind.
Now that your results are out, and you know, whatever the results you've got, I think that is the result of whatever the hard work you put in, and you should be happy with the results. And if you are around the range of 80, 85, you know, don't plan on skipping one more year, because that will, you know, might waste your career. So you'll find very good opportunities, and proceed with that, and life will take you somewhere good.
True that. Mohit.
Sure. So the only advice that I will give you guys is that MBA is the first step of the ladder. Life is long. You can explore more opportunities. You can get into MBA college, and you can build your career towards the trajectory that you want. So be hopeful and do your best.
Amazing. Loved that confidence, Mohit, and you know, loved your calmness and your composure. If the world is ending, Gerald is going to be relaxed. You know, everything is fine. Don't worry. So really like that. So thank you so much for giving some time. And guys, do hit like for their efforts, and put some good comments for them. Thank you so much.
Thank you,
guys.
sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.